So identify the important items, ma'am. Identify two important items here.
Rent and cash.
Rent and cash.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it a cash transaction or credit transaction?
Cash transaction.
Okay, cash transaction. Next one is important one. Next one is rent account.
Rent.
So rent account belongs to
Nominal account.
nominal account. Okay. Nominal account rule is
Debit what comes, credit what goes out.
debit all expenses and losses. And
And
next one is credit
profit,
all incomes and gain.
profit.
Okay. And next one is cash. Cash belongs to real account.
Real account.
Real account.
Debit what comes in, credit what goes out.
Debit what comes in,
Credit what goes out.
credit what goes out.
Goes out.
Now we'll write the journal entry. Okay. Now you see, you are sitting in the business. You are preparing accounts for the business. Paid rent in cash 15,000. So what does it mean? Paid rent in cash 15,000 means you have paid a rent in cash 15,000. So it is an expense to the business.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So two important items are rent and cash. Now rent
Cash.
comes to nominal account. Nominal account rule is debit all expenses and losses. When you are paying rent, is it an income or an expense?
Expense.
Expense. So first line. So rent account debtor to, and when you are paying rent, what is going out?
Cash.
Cash is going out. So to cash account, amount is 15,000.
15,000.
15,000. So being rent paid in cash.
Cash.
Okay. So take down this. Okay. Gayatri. Finish, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the next one? Paid stationery 5,000. This is on January 14. Paid for stationery
5,000.
of 5,000. Okay. Now here, you tell me whether it is a cash transaction or credit transaction.
Credit transaction.
No, it is a cash transaction. Why? Because if credit transaction is there, person name will be there, no. Here person name is not there, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So paid for stationery 5,000. Suppose if it is a credit transaction, there could have been some person name. Here person name is not given means it is a cash transaction. So here cash is not given. What you have to do? You have to write it down cash. Okay. And identify two important items. Stationery and
Stationery and cash.
cash. So it is a cash transaction because person name is not given. Because person name not given. And next one is so two important items. So first one is
Cash.
stationery account.
Second is stationery.
Stationery account belongs to
Real.
stationery is an expense or income.
Nominal account.
It belongs to nominal account.
Nominal.
Nominal account rule is
Expense and
debit all
ex-
expenses and
profit.
losses, credit all
Income and profit.
incomes and gains. And next one is cash. Cash belongs to which account?
Real account.
Real account. Real account rule is
Debit what comes in,
what
credit what
comes
goes
in
out.
and credit what goes out.
Comes in.
Okay. So now if you write a journal entry, January 14th. Okay. Now when you are paying for stationery, it is an expense or income?
Expense.
Expense. So all expenses should come in the first line.
Right.
Okay. So what you'll write here? Stationery
Stationery.
account data to what is going out of the business?
Cash.
To cash account. Amount is 5,000.
5,000.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Take down. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
आगे कटिंग प्लेट से पूरा डाटा खींच दे तुम. Done, ma'am.
Oh. Next one. Advertisement expenses.
Rupees 6,000.
Rupees 6,000. Okay. Now, first
ma'am.
one, is it a cash transaction or credit transaction?
Cash transaction.
Very good. Why it is a cash transaction? Because person name is not given here.
Not
Okay. So here what is missing? Cash is missing.
cash.
Okay. Now we have to write cash here. Now next one. Two important items are
Advertisement expenses.
and next one is cash. This
Cash.
is first one. This is second one.
Mm.
Now here itself is given that it is an expense. Okay. So advertisement belongs to which account?
Nominal.
Because already they mentioned that it is an expense. So nominal account. Nominal account rule is debit all expenses and losses, credit all
Income.
Incomes
Income and
and
profits.
gains. Okay. Now next one, what is the second one is cash.
Cash.
Cash account belongs to real account. Real account rule is debit what comes in, credit
What
what
goes on?
goes out. Now we'll write the journal entry for this. So first one is advertisement. Advertisement belongs to nominal account. Nominal account
Nominal
is debit all expenses and losses.
losses.
So advertisement is an expense. So debit. Debit means first line. So when you are paying advertisement expenses, cash is coming in or going out?
Coming in.
Uh,
Going
when
out. Going.
going out. Always narration should start with being
Amount paid.
the advertisement expenses paid. Okay.
Okay.
Take down.
Done, ma'am.
Next one is, that is 16th Jan. Paid salaries through check. Amount is 1 lakh. Okay. Okay, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next important point what you have to remember is, whenever you are paying through check, what you have to do is, you have to cancel this one, and in place of check, you should write it as bank. Okay.
Bank.
So that you can understand an entry easily. Because, most of them will pay salaries by cash. Cash means nothing, no problem at all. Okay. But suppose if check is given in the entry, means what you should do is, you should strike it off and you should write it as bank.
Bank.
Okay. So first important point is, if check is given, we should write, if check is given, we should write it as bank.
Bank.
Okay. Now next one is, identify two important items.
Salary and check. Bank.
Salaries and bank.
Bank.
Salaries belong to
Nominal account.
nominal account. Nominal account rule is
Debit expense and losses, credit income and profits.
Profits. And next one is bank. Bank means which account it belongs to?
Personal account.
No, very good. Bank belongs to personal account. Personal account rule is
Debit the receiver, credit the giver.
debit the receiver and
Credit
next
the giver.
is credit the giver.
Giver.
Okay. Now we'll write a journal entry. Okay. I'm not writing headings because you know what to write, no?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Now first we'll start with salaries. Salaries is an expense or income to the business.
Mm, Income.
In giving salaries is an expense or income to the
Expense.
expense. So expense means it should come in the first line. So this is on January 16th. Salaries account data amount is 1 lakh. Okay. Next one, 2. And next one, when you are paying salaries through bank, bank is a receiver or giver?
Receiver.
Now you take some cash, you go and deposit in the bank. Now when you are depositing in the bank, what does the bank do? Bank on his behalf, they are going to pay you the salaries. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose suppose you are working in an office, you have to pay salaries to the employees. When you wanted to pay salaries to the employees, instead of giving cash, what you do is you take the amount and you'll deposit in the bank. Okay. Now, what does a bank will do? Bank on your company behalf, they are going to pay you the salaries. Okay. Now, you might have seen that in message you'll be getting that your salary has been credited, your salary has been credited. Okay. So, when you are depositing cash in bank, bank on behalf of the company will be paying the salaries to the employees. Okay. Now, bank is paying salaries to the employees on your behalf. So, bank is a receiver or giver?
Giver.
Giver. So, to bank, understood, Zishan? Shall I
Yes, ma'am.
explain?
Check.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So important point to be note down here is you have to, whenever check is given, you have to strike off check. It is not like in the main paper, you don't strike it off. Just you have to imagine that instead of check, you should write it as bank.
Bank.
Okay. And next remaining treatment is everything is same.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. What is the next one? Paid electricity bill,
Rupees 1,000.
rupees
1,000.
1,000. Okay. Now here person name is given.
No, ma'am.
So what you should write here? Cash.
Yeah.
Okay, two important items are electricity bill and cash. Now, first one you take it as electricity bill. Now, when you are taking electricity bill, when you are paying an electricity bill, is it an expense or income?
Expense.
Expense. So it belongs to nominal account.
Nominal.
Nominal account rule is
Profit. Debit expense losses and losses to credit income and profit.
credit, income, and
Profit.
profits. And cash belongs to real account.
Real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out.
Credit what goes out.
Goes out.
Now, if you write journal entry, so electricity is nominal account. Nominal account means debit all expense. So
Expense.
electricity bill is an expense. So if it is an expense means electricity bill account data 1,000 to when you are paying electricity bill, cash is coming in or going out.
Cash is going out.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Now till here, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now balance, we'll see it tomorrow. Okay. Now till
Okay.
here, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll close it off all journal entries then. Remaining 6 are there. So that 6 we'll see. Now, have you understood all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then.